Kama chelo nyakoro mgajongo gai marazimio la umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga ochikore gi chien ni romo margi ko jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kuonde mopogore opogore gi kodira ninyo ok en gima ne gichano. Raila koni onge kod paro kata winjruok mora mora mar donje sirikal mar Kenya Kwanza.
And Mr. Ruto also was coming there. We didn't know that he was coming. He didn't also know that I was going. We just met there as a chance at Kasarani, and we watched the tournament together. We did not invite each other. The following day, there was Mashemeji Derby at Nyayo Stadium. And I was going there because I'm the patron of Gor Mahia, Kogalo. And as we were coming around Madaraka Estate, there was a traffic jam. Then I asked, why is the jam today on a Sunday? I told, oh, you know, the roads have been closed because the president is going to the stadium. That's when I knew that Mr. Ruto was going to the stadium. And we met there again in the stadium, and we watched the match together. In the halftime, we went down to the lounge. There's only one lounge. And then we met there, and the pictures were taken. But we did not talk anything other than football.